why we take these issues so seriously. There was a time when members of both parties took issues of politicization of intelligence seriously. There's a time when it would have gotten more than a passing bit of attention that a national security advisor for a sitting president said that president was aiding and abetting a foreign adversary in that foreign adversary's effort to interfere in our democracy. There was a time when that kind of thing would be of concern to both parties. Apparently, that time has passed. But for us, Mr. Maher, we are still concerned when we hear serious allegations that the President of the United States and political appointees at intelligence agencies, including DHS, are withholding intelligence because it would be embarrassing to the president if it were revealed that a foreign power was intervening on his behalf. Never mind what it means to the country or elections, we're going to withhold it because it's embarrassing. Those allegations we take seriously. We take seriously allegations that intelligence agencies, to fit a political narrative, are hyping a threat at our southern border, or reporting falsely to Congress, whether it is the Homeland Committee, our committee, or any other committee. We take that seriously. We take it seriously when a predominant domestic terror threat like white supremacy is politicized or buried or diminished or de-emphasized in favor of a political narrative that would emphasize something else that would be more pleasing to the president, like Antifa. We take those allegations seriously. And so I'm baffled when I get correspondence from your office saying you don't really have jurisdiction to look into a whistleblower complaint alleging these things. Of course we do. And I also get concerned when I hear people make the disingenuous argument that it takes months to do a security clearance for a lawyer for a day. A lawyer, by the way, who already has a security clearance. In the 4 years, 2 chaired by Mr. Nunez, 2 chaired by myself, we have never seen a security clearance for a one-day testimony of a whistleblower take so long. And I guess you would ask us and ask the whole country to believe that this is for a perfectly benevolent reason. There's too much history for us to take that for granted. I wish it were otherwise. There's just too much history of stalling and stonewalling and avoiding the necessity of responding to lawful requests from Congress. Too much evidence. So that is why we are here. That is why we are here. Now, I hope in closed session you will feel able to be more forthcoming about what you've heard and what you know, and not simply defer to an Inspector General investigation. You are, for the moment, for however long the administration leaves you in that position, running the intelligence unit of one of our agencies. Given the seriousness of these allegations, you can't simply look away and say, I'm just going to wait for the Inspector General. Any more than we can.